Hi babe, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be how to create this gorgeous, simple, beautiful hairstyle. To start off, I made the flower braid before proceeding to make the rest of the braid. This video is not detailed explaining how to make flower braids, but if you need a tutorial, like a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a flower braid, I will have it linked in the description bar and you can just check it. I demonstrated this on a very short 4C hair and also on relaxed hair, like several videos, so I have you covered. I am going to proceed to make the flower first before making the rest of our hairstyle. In the course of the video, you're going to see her younger sister's hair, and if you are interested in learning, or if you're interested in just seeing how I created her sister's hair, it will also be linked in the description bar. If you want to learn how I coiled her sister's hair, it will be linked in the description bar. If you want to learn how to apply strings to your hair to beautify your braids, it will also be linked in the description bar. I have detailed videos on how to do these things step by step for a beginner. So guys, like, when you watch these videos, you will have no complaint, I promise you. Also, if you do not know how to cornrow and you are interested in learning how to cornrow, I also have a very detailed video with awesome feedback on how to cornrow. After watching that video, I promise you, you will be excited to learn how to braid. Also, in that video, I used an afro texture kind of mannequin head, which I got from Amazon. After doing so much research, I got the black, like the African hair, black mannequin training head. So one of them looks like a blown out natural hair and the other one was like an afro hair. I reviewed each of those hairs, those mannequin heads, one by one. I shampooed, washed it, like I washed it, blow dry it, flat ironed it for you to see how it performs. That video is detailed. And then I went ahead and made like a comparison video to let you know the difference between both of them. So if you want to buy a mannequin, you should watch any of those videos. Watch those videos because you will make the best decision ever. And I think I covered everything. I explained how I made the hairstyle of the smallest baby in the video of the second girl, so please check those videos out. Let's continue.
Blanca viene siempre en Navidad con alegría, alegría. El mejor momento del año, diciembre. Siempre viene con Navidad. siempre. En Navidad, con alegría, alegría. El mejor momento del año, diciembre. Siempre viene con Navidad. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga tu hora, no llegue tarde. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga tu hora, no llegue tarde. Mañana Blanca viene siempre. En Navidad con alegría, alegría. El mejor momento del año, diciembre. Siempre viene con Navidad. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga tu hora, no llegue tarde. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga tu hora, no llegue tarde. Mañana Blanca viene siempre. En Navidad con alegría, alegría. El mejor momento del año, diciembre. Siempre viene con Navidad. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga tu hora, no llegue tarde. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. siempre. En Navidad, con alegría, alegría. El mejor momento del año, de siempre. Siempre viene con Navidad. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga, tu hora no llegue tarde. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga, tu hora no llegue tarde. Mañana Blanca viene siempre. En Navidad con alegría, alegría. El mejor momento del año, de siempre. Siempre viene con Navidad. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga, tu hora no llegue tarde. Siempre estaremos aquí esperando. Venga, tu hora no llegue tarde. Mañana Blanca viene siempre. En Navidad con alegría, alegría. El mejor momento del año, de siempre.